Guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable Discord system notifications on your Discord app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to your app. Just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down. So you keep going down here and you click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on get notifications outside of Discord here, and you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so when you click here on get notifications outside of Discord, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down. Then you compare to Discord system messages here, and you click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean Discord system messages disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.